What is copywriting and how to do it? Copywriting is the art and science of writing persuasive text, known as copy, with the aim of encouraging people to take a specific action. This action could be anything from buying a product or a service to signing up for a newsletter or clicking on a link. Copywriting is used in various contexts, including advertising, marketing, sales, and content creation. Here's a basic guide on how to do copywriting. Understand your audience. The first step in copywriting is to understand who you're writing for. What are their needs, desires, and pain points? What language do they use? Understanding your audience allows you to tailor your message to resonate with them. Define your goal. What action do you want your audience to take? Whether it's making a purchase, signing up for something, or simply engaging with your content, clearly define your goal before you start writing. Highlight benefits. Focus on the benefits of your product or service rather than just its features. Explain how it will improve the lives of your audience or solve their problems. Create a compelling headline. Your headline is the first thing people will see, so it needs to grab their attention and make them want to read more. Make it clear, concise, and compelling. Write persuasive body copy. The body of your copy should expand on the promise made in your headline and provide more information about your product or service. Use persuasive language, storytelling, and social proof, such as testimonials or statistics, to convince your audience. Include a call to action, CTA. A CTA tells your audience what action to take next. Whether it's buy now, learn more, or sign up today, make sure your CTA is clear, specific, and compelling. Edit and revise. Once you've written your copy, take the time to edit and revise it. Make sure it's clear, concise, and free of errors. You may also want to test different versions of your copy to see which performs best. Continuously improve. Copywriting is a skill that improves with practice. Pay attention to what works and what doesn't, and always be open to learning and experimenting with new techniques. Remember, effective copywriting is about more than just writing well. It's about understanding your audience, communicating persuasively, and ultimately driving action.